Hi friends, Farmer Brian here, and I'm with Farmer Judy, and we are here to talk about your Grow Kit beans seedling, and hopefully you guys have had some luck. We're going to talk about seedling care. Now, if your bean seeds haven't sprouted, it could be for a variety of reasons. It could be that you didn't give it enough water, or you gave it too much water, or maybe you put it in super direct sun and it burned all the water, it evaporated all the water out of your pot. Or maybe your seeds were just what we call non-viable, that they just were too old and they just didn't work. So if that's the case, you can go to your school's office and ask for more seeds. We've left seeds at the office, extra seeds, so you can go back and find some. So Farmer Judy and I are going to demonstrate to you how to take care of your seedling and hopefully inspire you to give it lots of love and to help it grow.
So first, you need to name your plant. I have named, here's my beautiful seedling. Look at how high it has grown in just a couple of weeks. Its name is Bean Dip. Farmer Brian, what is your plant's name?
My plant's name is Beano. Beano.
Second, you want to talk to your plant. Oh, little plant. Planta pequeña. ¿Vas a crecer hoy? Are you going to grow today? ¿Vas a crecer más alta y más verde? Third, you want to place your plant in a place where it's going to get suitable lighting. Okay, I can't even see you. Stop! Farmer Brian, that is too... What are you doing? That is not a good place. Bring it back.
You're right, Farmer Judy. It would get totally cooked out there. It's too much sunlight.
If you are inside, place it in a light-filled window that does not get direct sun. If you are outside, it should go in a sunny spot, but make sure it gets shade in the afternoon. Next, you want to make sure that you give your seedling just the right amount of water. Think of your plant sort of like Goldilocks in Goldilocks and the Three Bears. It can't get too much water. No, Farmer Brian! Like Goldilocks, you don't want to give it too little water. Farmer Brian, your plant might need a little more water than that. Little Bean Dip needs an amount of water that is just right. Action.
This water is just right. Right, Farmer Judy? How's that?
Well, remember, Farmer Brian, use the finger test.
Okay. What's the finger test?
Is it damp?
Yes.
Then it's just right.
All right, so that's about all you need to know for seedling care to take care of your little bean seedlings. And Farmer Judy's little bean seedling, Bean Dip, as it grew, got a little too tall there, needed some support. So she put a stick in there. You can use a chopstick or maybe a plastic fork or spoon. Remember, as your plant grows, to record your observations in your garden journal. Okay? So I learned a lot today, and I hope you did too. Thanks, Farmer Judy.
See you next time. Send your pictures and your comments to farmerjudy@gmail.com. See you next time.